Okay, so question 1C was as follows. Match the items in column B to those in column A. Match the items in column B to those in column A. And then take time and look at the columns given and the details that are inside. So we've got column A and we've got column B. So in column A, on number 1, we have got the total payment after deduction are made. Then on the column B, we have got payslip. Okay. Now we know that the total payment after deduction are made is not called payslip. So meaning on the column, in column B, there are names of things that are described in column A. In column B, there are names of things that are described in column A. So they should match. So when we talk about the total payment after deduction are made, that is not payslip. A reward for skilled workers who are permanently employed, and that is statutory deduction. No. The deduction imposed by law, and that is salary. No. A document containing a detailed summary of a worker's earning, and that is net pay. No. Okay, so these are not all matched, so we need to match them properly. So what we're going to do is, let's come up with this frame. I'm just getting these frames from the answer book rates, your answer book rates that you can use. And the same thing I'm doing is what you do in an exam. So let's start matching them. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, now here, focus on the first diagram and the second diagram I've brought, which is coming from the answer book rate. So we start with column A, number 1. The total payment after deduction are made. Okay, the total payment after deduction are made. So first you have got the gross payment, and then there is now deduction of allowances. Sorry, not allowances. Deduction of taxes. Maybe there is a loan you got. Maybe there is other deduction that may happen. Pay as you earn. That the total payment after deductions are made, that is net pay. When you have gross income, then there is deduction of the deductions are done. They deduct some money from the gross. What you remain with is called net pay. If it's salary, you can say net salary, just like that. Okay, so for instance, like you're working somewhere in a company, then they calculate everything. That means they come up with the total income, the basic salary plus the allowances plus anything that is attached to you add. Then later on you subtract, or you subtract something that you need to deduct, like taxes. Maybe there is a loan, maybe there is any payment you have to make. Then what you remain with is the net pay. Number 2, a reward for skilled workers who are permanently employed, that is salary. Okay, if you are permanently employed, then you are given a reward, or that is salary. Number 3, the deduction imposed by law, that is statutory deduction. This one you cannot say I'm not going to be contributing, I'm not going to be paying. It's statutory deduction. It's imposed. It's a law, you have to follow it. Like paying taxes, that is statutory deductions. Okay. 4, a document containing a detailed summary of a worker's earning. Okay, so a document where you find where the details of your earnings, that is a payslip. If you want to know how much you have earned the entire month, you can see that on the payslip. Even before the salaries comes in, you'll see even the money you should expect in the bank will be indicated. So we use payslip to know how much we have earned. Okay, so basically these are the answers. If you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be grateful to see your subscription.